Hello everyone. Now it's time to go for break. I'm going for break, and some of my street friends, they are waiting for me there. See, you can see how he's coming. See, 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 see. No. They are trying to jump. They used to jump. That's why I don't want to play with. I'll kill you. Don't jump. Don't jump. Don't make jump. Okay. I'll kill you. I'll kill you. I'll kill you. Where is that cute puppy? I just want to see them. I just want to see them. Cute puppy is there. So many. I want to see them. I want to check them. Cute. 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 Now I can't go there because someone is here. Then they will thought something, that's why I can't go now. See this duck. See this dog. So guys, please do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and thank you so much for watching this video. You can see these dogs. They always used to fight. Please do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys. Please do subscribe. Help animals, help dogs.